Hey there, welcome back guys. This video comes suggested by Miss Doer. He asks, does this process make the device look like we bought a new device and are setting it up from scratch? The answer to that is yes and no. At the time that this video was made 9 months ago, that did do the trick. Now a lot's changed with the firmware, so the experience is a tad different. And I don't know if you followed me on the Facebook DJI Mini 3 Pro group. I was actually supposed to send back my drone to DJI because it was just bonkers, and I never sent it back because I could live with firmware tweaks and things not working the way they were supposed to, because during the time I was experiencing issues with my drone, folks were doing the exchange. DJI was like, hey, send it back, and they were getting new drones fresh out of the box, and they were having condensation issues. They were having the drone sort of drifting more towards the left and the right. And I said, you know what, I can live with the glitches that I was experiencing. I don't remember at the time, but if you Google, if you search the Facebook forums, you'll see on those posts. So that's why this video worked for some and not for everyone. But knowing that, moving forward, we're going to go into the screen here, right? And then we won't see anything, but we're just going to go into camera view, right? And then we're going to check the firmware because I was able to update everything. Whoops. The drone's not connected, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be for this. And if you click to About, right? And as you can see, I'm running the latest firmware 0103.0500. And you always want to check for updates before, of course, it's going to require a network connection. So what you want to do on that is swipe down and then hold down the Wi-Fi button. And when you hold it down, many networks will appear, okay, which is great. And then what you do is you can either add a network, choose a network. Most likely, I should be able to see my network, which is really weird. We have 3 saved networks, and I'm going to pick my phone, and it should connect automatically. If not, it'll ask you for the password. Hopefully it connects. It says connecting, and I'll just make sure my Wi-Fi is open. You want to make sure that on your phone it just says share connection, so you just click on personal hotspot for whatever device it is that you're using. So let's try that again. I'm not in rage. I'm actually next to my phone. It's impossible. Sometimes that happens. And now we go back, right? So we're connected. So we're just going to check for the latest updates. Even though you're unbinding it, you met someone on Craigslist or eBay and they want to buy your drone, you just bring it up to date just so that you could have a seamless unbinding experience. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to want to be on this screen. So let's say if you're on the camera screen, so I'm going to click connection, most likely you'll see your camera, right? And there's nothing here, but what you do is you see your camera and you click on the top left corner, okay? And now you see the profile, little icon, looks like a person, but it's not really a person. You're going to press it, and then you're going to click on device management. And of course, for however many devices you have, you just select the ones that you're going to be unbinding. A Mini 3 Pro, and all the information is there. I'm going to click remove from account. This is it. Bye bye. I'm selling it for cash for goods. Don't take PayPal or certified check. Just do a bind and fly cash for goods experience. So you'll leave with the cash, and they leave with the drone linked to their DJI account. This way there are no callbacks. I click next, click confirm, and then confirm again. It's going to unbind it from the account. It's going to remove it from the account. See, unbound successfully. And now I'm going to log out. You see, now I have my other devices, but I don't have the Mini 3 Pro. It's gone. It disappeared. That's because it's no longer with you. But now what you want to do is you're going to go back into settings again. Okay, you're going to scroll down on the, so if you don't know how to get here, let me just go back to where we were. See, we're on connection guide. Let's say you're at your camera. I'm going to connect the camera. The camera doesn't see anything. You click that top button on the left-hand side. And now I'm going to click on the profile. Little icon, looks like a MySpace thingy from back in the day. And then I'm going to click on settings at the bottom. And then on the left-hand side, see that? Scroll up. And now you want to get rid of your remote too, right? Because the guy's like, hey, can I get the remote too? And then I'm going to log out. And then I'm going to click confirm. and now you're done. This thing is, you can sell it, and it's a new experience. Now, the only problem you're going to have with your transaction when you sell it is that when they say, hey, do you got the box? That may make or break the deal, and you might have to rebind the drone back to your account because you didn't save the box. But I don't know if you guys ever had that experience, but that's happened to me a couple of times when I went to sell stuff. They're like, do you have the box? Or they show up and they're like, oh, I thought it was blue. I'm like, didn't you see the ad? It said red car for sale, not blue. That's just a nice way of saying I'm not interested. And just tell me, don't fucking play games. All right. So anyway, hopefully you don't have experiences like that, and they don't ask for the box. And because you don't have it, they walk away. But now you know what to do to make the drone yours again, or you'll make the drone theirs. Anyway, I hope this video helped you and you're better able to have an experience compared to before that wasn't working. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up